It's time for a tour of our Chinese apartments. Hey guys, I'm Sonia.
And I'm Erin.
And we're two broke girlies traveling the world together. Welcome to our channel. So if you're new here, we have been living in China for the last 3.5 months now. And today, we're giving you a tour of our Chinese apartments.
So if you've ever wondered what rent is like in China, it basically differs depending on which city you live in. For example, Shanghai and Beijing, you'll pay a lot more in rent. Maybe like 3 times more than what we pay.
Yeah, 3 times more than Guangzhou. Shanghai and Beijing are expensive.
Yeah.
But for your average apartment in China, you can get a pretty good deal. Our apartment costs 4,000 RMB rent per month. That's about $550 and of course we share the cost. So it's only $225 each per month for an 88 square meter apartment with 2 bedrooms, big kitchen, beautiful living room, balcony, and it's fully furnished as well. But we'll show you that in a bit.
And then of course on top of your rent, there are some additional costs like we pay apartment tax, which is between 5 and 10% of our monthly salary.
So that depends on the city you live in. In Guangzhou, you have to pay apartment tax, but in other cities, it's not compulsory. So yeah, make sure you find that out if you are considering moving to China.
Apparently, apartment tax is a relatively new thing.
Yes.
So if you are already living in China, you might not have to pay that.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
And then we also pay a monthly apartment management fee, which I assume covers any management in the buildings or the elevators and things like that.
That usually costs about 200 RMB per month. Then, of course, there's your utilities. Last month, we paid 98 RMB for the month of November for electricity, which is really not too bad at all. And then water, honestly, it differs every month. It doesn't cost that much. I think like 20, 40 RMB, really not much at all.
And then when it comes to Wi-Fi, we have uncapped Wi-Fi, right?
Yes, we have uncapped Wi-Fi, 229 RMB per month. Not bad at all.
Especially because we split the cost.
Yes, and we watch Netflix every single night. So. But without further ado, let's show you our apartment. Let's go. So this is our apartment building. It's quite big. I think there's 18 floors. And there's a lot of buildings over there as well. Let me give you the full. So there's the top. 18 floors. Yeah, so a lot of residents here, but it's honestly not too noisy. And outside we have like a beautiful botanical garden almost. I mean, look at all these trees. It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's so pretty.
So pretty. We have a little exercising spot over here. People come and play table tennis on the table tennis table, as you can see. And people like to go for their walks. It's always kept nice and tidy as well, this area. It's so cute. Over here we actually have like a little pond. And over here is the seated area. Sometimes people come here and read or they have lunch with their family. It's very cute. We like to come picnic outside here sometimes as well. Or just read under the trees. It's so nice. Then, right outside here is our bus stop. As you can see over there, that's where we catch our little local community bus. We basically have a free community bus that takes us to school and to gym and back home, all for free. Anyone that lives in this community can use the bus for free. So that's our bus stop. We also have a health community service station here, which is kind of like a little hospital. And we have a little center over here that has like a little convenience store, so we can get all our snacks and things. So we're just standing outside a little convenience store by the bus stop, and we also have a gym that is like 1.5 kilometers away. We already signed up. We have a year membership and we get there with our free bus. Okay, but let's go check out our apartment now. Let's go. Let's go inside. So we actually have 2 doors. Extra safe. Nice. Over here we have a cute little Chinese flag. It was here when we got here and we just didn't take it down because it's actually quite cute. So, welcome to our humble home. As you can see, the very first thing you see in our apartment is our fridge. So we decided to decorate it and make it real cute. So over here, We have photos from South Korea, from a little photo booth that we had. Then this is a photo from the Philippines when we went to Boracay for New Year's last year. It was incredible. Wait, that was the year before. Oh my gosh. Then over here we have little panda magnets. Aren't they so cute? We got these from China, of course. And over here we have a photo from Greece, living our best Mamma Mia life. This is from Vietnam. This is from Japan. Our pandas are from China. I am obsessed with panda magnets, in case you don't know. And some more magnets from our travels so far. This is just from the last 3 months in China. All our other magnets are at home. Also, how cute are these little pandas? They're my favorite. Anyways, moving on. Over here we have our living room table, which you would assume we have dinner at, but we don't. This is actually where we have dinner, right over there on our cute little couches. Don't you think it looks like the couch from Friends? I do. So cute. Oh, and our apartment came fully furnished, by the way. So all these couches were here, and this TV was here when we arrived, as well as this cabinet. This is the cute little birthday card that I made for Erin. Over here we have some decorations. Yay, it's your birthday, because it was Erin's birthday the other day, like 3 months ago. Anyways, then over here we have some gorgeous views of Panyu. Look how cool. You can see all the other apartment buildings in the area. And a park over there. So cute. And over here we have our little table, and we have our cute little lights that we use for filming our YouTube videos, so now I can see behind the scenes. But yeah, let's get Erin to show us the rest of the apartment. Erin, where you at? Let's go. Give us a tour.
Okay, starting in that room.
Oh yes, of course.
This is our storage room, which we never want to go into.
Yes. Oh, don't look. Don't look. It's that room that you always hide from people when they come over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's no doors.
And our laundry room.
Yes. Otherwise, then we have our hydration station over here. You can see we have our 10 liters of water.
Don't forget to drink your water, kids.
Hydrated queens.
Yes. Let's go.
Then we have a really nice big kitchen.
Yes. Look at her.
A new stove.
Well, a slightly burned stove.
Yeah.
We've only used the stove twice and it's already burned. This is why we don't cook.
Some nice cupboards, a disinfectant.
Yes, you put your cutlery and things in there to disinfect.
Then we got ourselves a cute little microwave.
From Taobao. Our microwave popcorn, of course, priorities.
Yes. This one and this one are designated snack cupboards.
Yes, show us the snacks. Oh, nice. Show us the snacks. Oh, and the vitamins, yeah.
There we go.
Nice. Okay.
Then we have a little wash-up station. It's just 2 of us, so we don't need like 10 plates. And then we have our cute little air fryer.
As you can tell, it's new. Very new.
Yeah.
We got it a week ago, actually. We need to take off the plastic. This we got as a gift. It's a pressure cooker that we never, ever, ever use.
Yeah. But it still has the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
In here, we have like our pots and pans and things. All those necessities, some Tupperware that we also bought like a week ago. Nice.
But then the only other storage space we have is this cupboard here for our detergents.
Yeah.
And then a bin cupboard and another storage space.
That's all we need.
Then we have a really nice balcony.
Whoa, let's first look at these views. Oh my gosh. Stunning.
These are to hang your clothes.
Yes.
It's quite high and shaky.
And dirty. We don't really use it, to be honest. We have our laundry rack inside.
And then we have a washing machine.
Yay. It was brand new, actually, when we got here.
Yeah, decently big, top loader. Really nice.
Yeah. There's our neighbors. Wow. They're not home. They did their laundry. Good for them. We haven't done ours yet. Cute. So that's our cute little kitchen. Love it.
And there's a door
Yes.
that can separate if you're making like smelly fish or whatever.
We don't cook that though. Next room.
Our bathroom.
Oh, don't worry, it's not as scary as you might think. Yeah. It has a shower head and all the things. Look, it's a bit dirty, okay? That's our shower and our bathroom. It has a real toilet. Nice. Next, show us your room.
And then we have my bedroom.
Wow.
Small but cute.
Very cute. Nice big bed.
And
Look at the
little
beautiful
wall.
photos on the wall. That's so cute. And her little bedside cupboard. More photos. And of course we have an aircon, in case you're wondering.
And then this mirror came from Taobao for like 60 RMB.
Very
What a
nice.
steal.
What a steal.
And then there's all these cupboards.
Wow, beautiful wooden cupboards.
So, a little bit of shelving, space for shoes, and then, I don't really want to open this side.
That's why I'm not opening my cupboard. Okay, show us your window. The views are very cute.
Oh yeah. Well, there's no space. You can show.
Okay, guys. It is a little crowded here by the bed. As you can see, we're fighting for our life out here. But look how gorgeous these views are.
So pretty.
Wow, that's beautiful.
I do think this bed is a little bit extra. Like it's too big.
You can fit a family of 5.
But I love this space.
Yeah, if anyone wants to come visit, Erin has space.
Okay, Sonia, show us your room.
Let's go.
Welcome to my crib. So this is my room. This is the bed.
Lovely.
It's also big, not as big. We have a lot of sunshine, so it gets
Oh,
hot in summer.
But it's afternoon sun, so nice.
These
Oh.
are my little broccolis outside. The window's so dirty, and I even try to wash it. Okay, we'll just do it on my bed.
There's the little broccolis.
How cute are the views? Wow, when did this open? You can get the broccolis from here.
Yeah.
Wow, love my little broccolis. And then I have my little bedside table. The subtle art of not giving a fudge, you know, because fudge is too sweet sometimes. These are my teddies. My mom bought me this, and I
Aw.
take it everywhere I travel.
So precious.
It's difficult when you're backpacking though. And then this is little Moo that my friend gave me from back home.
Oh, I love Moo Moo.
And she is the traveling cow. She's been to South Korea. She's been to South Africa. She's been to China now.
Wow.
She's been around, okay? She's been around. And this is my cute little photo wall. So over here, I have my friends and family behind my bed. And then over here, I have my travels ahead. So this is my travel wall. Erin and I spent 4 months last year. Actually about 6 months backpacking, because we did 2 months in Asia, and then we went home, and then we did 4 months in Europe. So this is from our travels.
Lovely.
Just nice, you know.
Yes.
And this is another little corner table.
And the apartment came with...
Yeah, I came with all of this, except
Yeah.
for my photos, of course.
Yes.
And this is my mirror that just refuses to clean it when I wash it.
I
These
know.
are more photos, my little dog.
Aw.
Angel. And I have nice cupboards too. You won't be getting to see them today because, you know. And then I have a cute little laundry basket. This I bought myself from Taobao. Very nice.
Yeah, really nice quality.
And I have an aircon.
The essential item in the
And that's
summer
my
heat.
room. Well, that's basically our apartment tour. Let's go back to our filming station. Well, that's our apartment in China.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, for now,
Bye, besties.